I'll just do one more. Remember
Okay.
how many? The first thing I'm gonna do is my ankle exercise.
And do you remember what this is supposed to do for you?
Strengthen my ankles up for me when I walk. I think that's 4.
Since I interrupted you?
Since I had to talk. Okay.
Okay.
Next, I'm gonna do one that when I lean back and pull myself up.
Okay.
I usually do about 10 this way and 10 the other way. I'll show you the other way.
Okay.
5 this way, my hand the other way.
Okay. And do you know what you're strengthening there? Is that for your upper arm or?
and my balance.
Okay. Arm and balance.
Right?
Let me show your legs too.
I leave them straight and high. Like I'm off balance real bad, but this makes me get a little bit stronger in my balance. I feel like I'm going to fall every time I go back.
But you don't, so that's
I'm
good.
not hanging on. I'll just do one more. I don't remember
Okay.
how many. Okay. Next thing I'll do is squats.
All right.
I gotta go like this, screw down.
So you're holding on up there.
Yeah. If not, I'll probably
Fall.
be on the ground.
Yep. That strengthen your legs.
Yep. Okay. Yeah. I do 5 that way, and I do 5 just the same way. I did it all
Ooh.
the time.
Is that hard?
When I go down, you had to sound it real good. You had to hear my knee cracking. Okay. That's it for that video.